Howdy, this video today is going to be on the Cub Cadet ZT1 54-inch mower. This mower is a very comfortable mower. That seat is cush. It's very nice. This is about a 6-year, 7-year review on this machine. I just pressure washed it because the last time I did a review on it, like the 1-year review, somebody said, oh, we need to wash that, so I did. Anyway, I do not baby this thing. I abuse the heck out of this machine. People say it's been Gordon abused. It's been Gordon abused. One thing I've done to this, and by choice, was I put on these Aggressive Tires. I got those on Amazon, and I put them on myself on the rims. I think I paid like under $100 for both of them. But with those Aggressive Tires, it will help me make the turns on these yards. When I first got it, it did not handle these downhill turns. I'll show you an example of it. This one right here, if I were to come down that rock wall right there and make a turn into this corner, it would have shot me out pretty close to these steps. As you can see, we have some hilly area. So anyway, I put on those tires. I can go up this no problem, but coming down that corner right there, you can see it's pretty steep. It would, it would slide me around down here. If it was wet at all, I'd probably down these steps. So anyway, like this yard from that where we just were up to this lawnmower is about a 3.5 foot climb up to the mower itself. So the tires helped immensely. The only other thing that we've done, I didn't have to, but I bought a tune-up kit for it with a fuel filter, oil filter, all that kind of stuff. But it came with also a new fuel pump. So I put that on. I didn't have to. It ran, but I got it, so I put it on there. Like I said, it's 54-inch. I've had no problems with this thing whatsoever. And like I said, I do not baby this thing. I use it. This yard we're standing in now, well, it's kind of a weird shape. But I would say it takes me 5 minutes to mow it. But the bottom yard down below, down here, see that hill over there? I come down that hill, I mow that little hill. Gotta finish our patio soon. Anyway, that bottom yard, that's probably a quarter to a half acre. The front yard's about the same size, quarter to a half acre. So I mow probably mow an acre and a half to 2 acres. It takes about 35 minutes. It's just a great mower. If you're on a hillside, if you're mowing on side hill where you have to do a lot of turning, I'd maybe test one out. Rent one for a weekend and test it out before you buy one. I bought this at Tractor Supply. They ordered it and had it shipped directly to my house. And it was still, even ordered it and shipping it to my house, it was, I think, $700 cheaper than Home Depot, going in and buying it and loading it and bringing it home myself. It's just a comfortable ride. I tell you, I'd even volunteer to go mow my neighbor's house's property because it is that comfortable. As long as I had a beer in that beer holder over there, I'd be good to go. Fuel, I mean, it burns through gas just like anything else does, but it's just a great mower. I would recommend it, especially if you have flat land. Definitely. Like I said, if you're on a hillside, I'd rent one first and see how it handles before you buy one, because they do not turn well on a hillside. And if you're going uphill, if it's too steep, the sumbitch might do a wheelie on you because there's a lot of weight in the back. So yeah, just if it's flat land, yes. If you're on a hill, I'd rent one first and just see how you like it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for our 6-year or 7-year. I don't remember if it's 6 or 7 years we've had this thing. I've never hooked anything up as a towing package on it. It's got a little tow ball that you can put on it, but I've never used it. I don't know, guys. It just mows. It's a great mower. All right, guys, we're gonna cut off here. Have a great day. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I will say on our playlist we have a DIY solar system we put up on the house up here. It produces 18,000 kW an hour and an 18,000 watt inverter inside that runs the whole house, runs the shop. Anyway, guys, thanks. Have a good one.